Thanks for stopping by. I thought I would capture this here, which is the ability to upload a email list in a text file. And that text file has 11 in it here. And I'm going to show you how easy it is to send out a, sometimes coined as a bulk calendar invite. Essentially what it is sending out a calendar invitation to a list. So in the picker here, I'm going to pick the first one. You can see that obnoxiously, I have 1,000, believe it or not, 1,000 events here for the MBA already loaded for the year. If you want to know how I've done this, you're going to have to check out my other videos or our other videos. So I'm going to pick the first one here in the picker, 11/9, 5:30. That's in a few hours. I'm going to go ahead and I showed you I uploaded the list, and there's the list there. And what I'm going to do is hide that list for now. And I'm going to scroll down in Crazy Town here all the way to the bottom quickly. And I'm going to say yes. And what I'm doing right now is basically giving AWS a command to send out a calendar invite to 11 people for the Cleveland Cavaliers versus the Brooklyn Nets. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to click a simple button here, and the automation process happens. And I'm going to buy a little time just by showing a couple screens here. And essentially, the easiest way to kind of look at what I'm doing here is this use case. So I've uploaded a bunch of data into AWS. I won't get into that. Essentially, what I've done here is I've picked out a list. I uploaded that list, the email list, using that button as a metaphor to basically sending millions of calendar invites. And what happened here in the back is the calendar invites were set out, and the data is collected. And then at a granular level, you can actually get calendar receipt information if you want. So back to the real live demo. Here's what you'll see right here is one of the people in the email list was this person here. That person here is Mandy or Zach. That was Zach, the Z there. You'll see that person there, Zach, received a calendar invite. And Greg received one too as well. They both said yes. And back in our data collection system, you'll see here, as I scroll to the top, view events, the first one up here and the upcoming will be in this batch here. I'm going to view the report. Cavaliers versus the Brooklyn Nets. I sent out 10, I believe. And what I'm going to do is refresh here. 10 and 11. There it is there. Actually, a total of 10 because other people already had received these, and we don't duplicate the calendar invites. So in particular, 10 were sent out, 2 RSVP'd, and those 2 that RSVP'd were these people over here in this panel, Zach and Greg. That's the end of the demo. Thanks for stopping by.